Hello, my name is Ash, and today we're going to make a collage butterfly based on Eric Carle's The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Let's start with some general objectives. Students will learn about creating textures and patterns, as well as begin to develop their own aesthetic choices using colors. To get my student motivated, I had her watch an animated reading of The Very Hungry Caterpillar. You can do this or read the book to the students. Afterwards, ask students if they know how Eric Carle made his illustrations. The answer: he used tissue paper and glue over top of one another. Let's talk about materials. You will need a 1:1 ratio of glue and water. I used Elmer's clear glue and a reusable container that I had lying around at home. Tissue paper in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. I cut them up prior to class and distributed them on a paper plate. A couple of black markers and a few paintbrushes. As for butterflies, I gave my students 3 choices to choose from. Teachers can draw them out or print them out from online. The last thing you'll need is a pair of scissors, but those will be used at the very end. And now it's time to get to work. I instructed my student to paint on a thin layer of glue, lay down some tissue paper, and paint on another thin layer of glue. Encourage students to overlay colors and create textures with the tissue paper. Once students finish, give the butterflies a few minutes to dry, and in the meantime, students can begin to clean up their materials. To finish up the project, let's color in the body of the butterfly and outline the antenna with a black marker. Then, very carefully cut out the butterfly. Hold up to the light. It looks like stained glass. And there you have it. You and your student have just created a collage butterfly.